It's your boy Nathan J. Let's go! Boy Party Remix. You know we used to put everybody on this track, right? Introducing my man, Ever with a dot. McCall City representing y'all.
You get 7 shots once you hit a metal pop. Hotter than a cinder block. Ako pala si Aerodot. From Bacolod to the Bay in Brooklyn, let's bring it back. There's no way to stop him once you see one of my men react. What up to Nathan J? Why these fools play your hate? I got legends and veterans say I blow like hand grenades. The prime candidate, my rhymes animate. The lines activate these juices and these dimes cannot wait. Yo, I stand up straight. All my soldiers salute me. I got you fucked up no matter how sober you fools be. Whether written or loose leaf or spitting off the dome, I'm ripping microphones. They love to hear these type of poems. I hold it down like a million kilos. I'm proud and proud like a billion Filipinos. It's like I spit a verse and hurt your pride. Hustling like an OFW, third worldwide.
Man! I told y'all. This is what we're gonna do now, right? What? Representing the South. Parañaque City, Young boy!
Mga pare, kumusta ng diskarte? Muling maririnig, alulong na batang kaliring. Bring on the party sa kahit saan lugar. Bumubulgar mga pangalang kahit di magpaandar. Hanggang ngayon, buhay pa din sundalo ng kanto. Habang may kumakalaban, mas lalo kaming ganado. Iskinitan delikado, yang one kilalang markado. Kapag kami ang nag-perform, nagigiba ang entablado. Down south man, I represent Parañaque City. We live in the ghetto streets, kaya walang imposible na dyan. Ang mga leon, mga osot, mga tigre, mga hustler, mga gangs na tituladong dekalibre. Bagong boses na lansangan, ako po ang iyong lingkod. Mga sanggano at gago sa harap at sa likod. Astig, batang baklaran, may tensyon kapag tumapakastig. Pagwawala kapag ang microphone ang hawak.
Man! Straight sweet gutter, y'all. Yes! That's my boy. But up next, represent 7 shots of wisdom.
We 7 shots and got arrows back with a dot, yo. We getting higher than ever like smoking pot, yo. The mighty mic is behind us and on the spot too. We break it up really quick cause that's what we gotta do. We keep it going, we flowing, we in the zone, man. We grab the mic quick and you'll never have a chance, man. We jacking, stacking, sending suckers back to camp again. You need a lesson, you messing with some more veterans. Commanding tragedy that be so indestructible. We spitting flames with the rage cause we so combustible. We gotta hustle like hustling never been before. We got the minis, the biggies, 11 2x4s. We hitting streets with the remix and knocking down on doors. Cause when I rip on the mic, I rip like I did before. No cutting corners, just running over you and your crew. The LPC is our city and this is how we do.
That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Still got fire. No, dog. Now, representing Turbulence.
Moving around like just watching the record spin. If it isn't so evident, you know who came to represent. To the people we've lost, we take shots in your memory. Some be tattooing your name like that Dame in Amelie. Definitely missing you just being alive. Never be forgotten, you will always be in our lives. Iniwan mo ang iyong pagmamahal na Mala Cristo. Balang araw magkikita rin tayo sa paraiso. Sa mga nanatili sa mundo, patuloy ang buhay. Ang iyong pinaglabanan ay nagpapatunay na tunay ang nararamdaman sa kaloob-looban ng puso. Kung ayaw diwag, kung gusto di sundan ng iyong pulso. The beat keeps you creating, dishing, serving it all. There's more to it, like cooking with virgin coke in it all. You can touch his verse like the jailbait stain. So much they know, leaving the hot 16. Dang, nothing no.
Getting deeper and deeper, y'all. Getting bilingual right here, y'all. You know what? I'm gonna take y'all to the door right now. Yeah, 187 Mobsters. Mike Corsa.
Ako naman ang susunod at manggagambala. Akin na nga ang mikropono, ibigay nyo sa akin ang tiwala. Umasa ka, akong bahala sa mga letra kong sinala. Mapapasang-ayon ng lahat kahit hindi naniniwala. Kakalabog ang mga payo na pampagising ng tulog. Hanggang lahat sila'y makikinig sa ating tunog. Itataas sa mga kamay, ang lahat ay sasabay sa isang awitin na 100% binigay. Upang maintindihan ang tunay na nilalaman ng dahilan. Kaya umisip ng makabagong paraan upang buksan ang mga tenga habang nakikita makikinig sila at sasabihin na ibang klase ang ating musika. Mula pagsulat ng kanta at kung paano binuga sa mikropono ang mga nagbabagang kataga. May kosa ang responsable na nanggaling ng tundo. Ikutin mo man ang mundo, walang kagaya ang tulad ko.
Man, I think you're right there, y'all. Yeah. Next up to back. Boom. Representing North Ave. QC, baby. J-O-L-O.
Mike's on, lights gone, mind's gone, blackout, light storm, run spore, never had a bad drought, only had a bad drought, never ever have doubt, something I don't rap about, never was a dad proud, never putting that out, coward if I backed out, doubt if I should rap now, doubt if I should back down, chilling in the background, feel like it's a trap, so I kill another track, just to bring the feeling back, it's bananas spilling back, get your cameras reeling that shit, cat shit, see him actually really bad, it's the poise, it's the voice, it's the point, it's the period, boy, this be noise, it's the choice, get it serious, clear when I'm declaring it, straight like I'll be permanent, homie, you ain't never ever nearing it, self-quarantine flow, try to imagine, I spit scripts sicker than pigs flying past it.
God damn! Oh, it's getting hot. I know, right? You know, what? The next one, Rich. Don't need no introduction, y'all. I need to be on this. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. You shine brighter than jewelry. Respect to the whole community. And those collaborating with me, I'm taking this game to another level. I'm capable to disable armies. That's why I'm labeled as a rebel. N-A-T-H-A-N. You know I'm back again. Sending chills to your skins, hitting hard straight to your chin. Deliver knockout punches, work the lyrics out like crunches. We pushing pedals to the middle till it burns and crashes. You ain't ready for this. I know you getting pissed, cause you ain't in a class and your ass is getting dismissed. I'm the dean, the guidance counselor, the principal. Just drop out cause you might end up in a state that's much critical. Ito'y panibagong pagbato ng versikulo. Ero young Mario Nimbus, my cosa at J-O-L-O. Hoy pare now, you know we blow up spots with our flows, rhymes overload. Shut this down, studios closed by the new magnificent 7 individuals.
No, I would never let. No, I'll never let you go.
It's a Foot Music exclusive.
Now that you're mine, all mine, all mine. Whoa, I would never let. No, I never let you go. Now that you're mine, all mine, all mine. Ha. No, I'm never letting you go. It's best you know you shut it down since the first time you said hello. Your voice music to my ears and it just felt perfect. Damn, talk about feeling nervous. So that I was just trying to play it smooth, kick a little game, trying to put you in the mood. Got you impressed now, got you saying yes like I can't even count it, but I'm counting on the next 9. That's right, surely I'll be seeing you soon. And since then you are pressing with every new tune that I kick above the stage or maybe inside the booth, I'm addicted to what we got, and baby that's the truth. I'm a sucker for your love, never put no one above. Nothing is enough, you blow me away like we smoking up. Never coming down, hold it down forever, we gon' ride. That's right, hip hop, you got me feeling so alive. No, I would never let. No, I'll never let you go.